Hi teachers, I wanted to make a quick video about taking a screenshot. To do that, you're going to hold down the Windows button plus Shift and then the letter S. What should happen is you should get a pop-up near the top of your screen, and this one on the right is going to do a full screenshot. This one is going to be targeted. Let's do the full screenshot. What should happen is you should get a pop-up in your right-hand corner, which is what we want, and then click on it. This is great because you can copy it to your clipboard, and then if you need to paste it somewhere else, just start an email and then hit Control V. And if you have any luck, it should paste it in there and you're good to go. If that doesn't work for some reason, on my computer, sometimes what I have to do is I have to open Snip and Sketch first, which I have in my tray, but if you want to find it, go down to your Windows button and then scroll down until you find Snip and Sketch, which should be, of course, under S. Open it first, and then go down to New Snip, and that'll start your screenshotting. Then you can do a targeted one by clicking and dragging, and then that window should pop up. You don't have to copy and paste it. You can always save it too, but it's really up to you how you want to do it. That's it.